Maybe. I can always crop it out.
Ew. Oh god.
Oh.
It's gonna come out.
Oh, you see the pus?
Heck.
Oh.
Squeeze it the other way. It's coming.
There's no more pus. Come on, you. Oh, what the hell?
What is it?
It went like pus squirted out the weird direction. Oh.
It looks painful.
It's not. Damn it. Oh. What the?
Arg! Okay, hang on. I have to get... That just popped out. Look how big it is. Yeah. That's disgusting. Got any more?
No, that's it.